Good morning. Thank you for tuning into your Wallops weather briefing for Friday, October 20th. We're seeing another mostly sunny day out today with unseasonably warm temperatures yet again here at the Wallops Flight Facility, and we do expect that to continue into the weekend before we do get a return to more rainier conditions for the middle of next week. Taking a look at our conditions across the MidAtlantic, yesterday we did see temperatures running around 5 to 10 degrees above average for this time of year for all locations, with temperatures running from the low to upper 70s. Langley had the warmest location in the region at 77. Here at Wallops, we did get to 72. This morning, we are also running slightly above average in our morning lows, with Wallops here just above 50 degrees. Other locations did see temperatures near 50 degrees into the mid to upper 40s. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures running in the upper 50s to mid 60s across the mid-Atlantic under sunny to mostly sunny conditions. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are seeing northwesterly winds basically across the entire column as we have that high pressure off to the west, as well as some strong upper level ridging starting to build in closer to the mid-Atlantic region. We're seeing winds just above the surface from 1,000 feet all the way up to the 16,000 foot level, running around 20 knots pretty consistently across the entire column, and then increasing just a little bit to just above 30 knots as we get to that 25,000 foot level. Our freezing level this morning was just above 13,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis, as you can see, high pressure is dominating the entire eastern half of the United States, with mostly sunny skies reported across much of our part of the nation here, with no rain in sight, as that high pressure is pretty strong, and that is going to continue to slowly migrate closer to the east coast of the United States until it finally moves offshore late this weekend, and that's going to return our southerly flow and start to give us a little bit of some moisture advection ahead of our next system expected to impact the Wallops region from Tuesday into Thursday next week. So taking a look at our satellite and radar loop, just seeing some radar clutter this morning, not seeing any rain in sight anywhere across the region, and then cloud-wise we're just seeing a few to scattered very thin cirrus near 25,000 feet. And we are seeing temperatures pretty light this morning from the northwest, only running around 4 to 9 knots for many locations. Let's take a look at our forecast charts here. We're going to continue to see that high pressure slowly migrating eastward across the country throughout the weekend here. Not looking at any rain or really too much clouds at all across the eastern half of the United States. And that's going to go into tomorrow. As we go into a Saturday morning, we're going to see very light winds across the areas that high settles just on top of us. And we're going to continue to see mostly clear skies as we go throughout the day on Saturday. As we go into Saturday evening, that high is going to finally shift east of the area, and that is going to start to give us more of a southerly flow. We are going to see winds more southeasterly, so not expecting a big warm up, but we are still going to be looking at some unseasonably warm conditions for this time of year. And then as we go into Sunday, we're going to start to see those winds shift more southerly and perhaps a bit southwesterly at times. So looking at another warm day on Sunday, but those temperatures should be capped a little bit, as we are going to be expecting some additional cloud cover for Sunday as that system off to the west starts to approach the area. Let's take a look at short-term forecast. Not looking at any weather hazards today. Those winds are going to remain fairly light, around 5 to 10 knots from the northwest. And then as we go into late this afternoon to early this evening, they're going to become light and variable and remaining that way through tonight and into tomorrow morning. Temperature today is going to be around 76 degrees, which is about 10 degrees above average for this time of year. And we are looking at a seasonable low tomorrow around 50 degrees under partly cloudy to mostly clear skies. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, just going to be looking at some of those thin cirrus clouds today near that 25,000 foot level. Could see a few cumulus clouds near 3,000 feet pop up here and there, but for the most part, looks like we're just going to be continuing to see that scattered cirrus deck as we go into tonight, and possibly becoming broken but still thin as we go into tomorrow morning. Looking into the weekend, we're going to see a absolutely beautiful weekend across the area. Highs in the mid-70s. Highs expected to be 74 for both Saturday and Sunday. Saturday is going to be partly cloudy to mostly sunny, and then we're going to see that low just a little bit warmer on Saturday night at 55 degrees. And then on Sunday, we're going to see that cloud cover start to increase across the area. We're still expecting a high of just 74. For our next 7 days, we can expect those temperatures in the mid-70s to continue as we go through the beginning of next week, with those morning lows slowly warming as we go through the weekend, as we start to get a little bit more moisture advecting into the area. On Tuesday, we're going to have a front start to approach the area, and it is going to be a fairly strong cold front moving across the region, so we are going to be looking at some periods of heavy rain on Tuesday. Could be seeing a chance of thunderstorms as well. It is going to depend, I think, on how much, on the exact timing that front crosses the area, and if we have any opportunity to get some heating from the daytime before that front starts to pass, as it's kind of looking, if it passes more in the morning time, we might just get some heavier rain with less of a chance of thunderstorms. On Wednesday, we can expect some lingering showers before that front moves off to the east of the area, and we are going to be seeing those temperatures drop behind that front, with possibly that high temperature of 65 happening earlier in the day, and then we'll see those lower temperatures with a return to more seasonable conditions towards the end of the week. On Thursday, we're still going to be looking at some mostly cloudy skies, but that flow is going to turn more northerly, giving us some good cold advection for the end of the week, with highs only in the upper 60s. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We will be back on Monday at 8:15 a.m. for your daily operations brief, and at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing. Have a great weekend.